Surrey to central London. 20 miles of kayaking. Best way to get there. You get to see London at a different angle. Here's Teddington Lock. It started in Surbiton. So we are here. Hello, mate. We're here in Teddington Lock. Time for about 16 more miles of kayaking. Yeah, lovely day. These guys are fast over there. Us and our inflatable gone to London, not far from Twickenham. We're here in Richmond Riverside. Hello. We're going to land on this beach here and go to the pub for a sec maybe, because we've got a long way ahead of us. We're about to get to literally Kew Gardens. We have made progress. Whoa! Yeah. Richmond Lock. Here we are. Up on the beach and he goes and films it down the beach. That's how we roll.
nasty.
Oh, we fell in. Yeah, so we're in Putney, we're in London, and tides are coming and we fell in, so that's us in Putney. Surrey to Putney, yeah.
Yeah.